Kuringana na ndari, ciana itanyihire 90 nicio ikuaga igiciarwo kana ciaciarwo oro muthenya, undu uria tunyukithagia bururi tugicia bata hari gukura na gutherema kwaguo. Ita njira ya kumurika thina uyu na kwethera kihonia, thirikari ni yuritie thibitari ciothe kuiga rekondi cia ciana iria ciahuruka igiciarwo na gutuma rekondi citegucererwo kuri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Aden Duale niwe uheanite mwerekero uyu hindi igongona ria kuhumba thumbi manathi aria mekoraniire uheani-ini wa motungata matiganite ari thibitari-ini munene wa KU akiuga gikuo kia mwana umwe ni igutha inene makiria kuri bururi. Duale augite thirikari ni gathikite mitambo na mitaratara ya kunyihia ikuo cia ciana, undu umwe na guthurima na kinyi namba ya ciana iria ciahuruka na iria ciaciarwo oro muthenya, undu uria kuhotithia thirikari gwathika kigina kiiganu gia kung'ethanira na thina uyu.
Any maternal or newborn death is one death too many. And this is not merely a concern, it is a call to action. And as a ministry, we are moving from statements to systems that prevent avoidable loss. We must protect profoundly the human journey of bringing new life into the world. And we must honor every mother's dignity. Be assured, His Excellency the President is fully seized of this priority, and we are aligning the entire health system in our country to deliver results. Our first step is evidence without delay. Very soon we are going to commence a nationwide reproductive age maternal age mortality survey to make sure that we can determine the true number and causes of death among women of reproductive age, including maternal deaths. This is a clearer picture that will help us align resources, skills, and corrective actions to what is actually happening on the ground.
Hindi igongona ri thibitari munene wa KU no waniririe gucenjio kwa mutaratara wa mathomo ma manathi, murugamiriri munene wa Zainab Gura akiuga na ikinya ri guteithia kwambatira ikiro cia uheani wa motungata. Thirikari cia matura nacio nicioritie kunyitanira na thibitari kurekereria arutwo aria mathomera unathi, undu umwe na mbeca niguo kugacirithia motungata mathibitari-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Matthew Ndung'u wa Mbugua.